Hey, good morning. Today I'm going to try to put together my Westinghouse WPX 3400 pressure washer. It comes highly rated on Google as one of the best, 5-star rating, matter of fact. But one of the things they did say, one of the comments, was a kinked hose in the shipping for your soap dispenser. And sure enough, I open it up and that hose is pretty well kinked. So I'm gonna see, and it's almost ready to break. You see it right there? Yeah, so that I'm gonna have to take care of right away. So Westinghouse needs to stop bending these babies, because that's I mean, it's not a huge problem, but it is a problem. So that's the first thing I see. I'm gonna go ahead and put it together. Oh, look, we got chiclets, candy, gum and stuff. Actually, it's not. It says do not eat. So some kind of gel or something. It says throw away, do not eat. Okay, I will I'll do that. I'll throw it away and I won't eat it. Okay, so far I like the how it's shipped. Shipped in as a pretty whole unit. You got the handle you got to put on, the hose, the wand, a couple clips, got all your nozzles, and they even give you some oil to put in there because it's drained for shipping. So it's pretty much just to put together and you're ready to go once you get that oil in there. So I'm going to put it together, fix this hose that a lot of people say is kinked, and sure enough, again, it's kinked pretty bad. So that's got to be fixed. That's not a big deal though. All right, I'm going to put her together, show you what it looks like after it's together, and then I'm going to give her a run and show you some before and after effects, and see how well it runs. I mean, this is highly rated as one of the best medium-size pressure washers out there. So alrighty. Okay, well, I got it all put together. It takes about 15-20 minutes to put together. That's what she looks like now, all put together. I will tell you, there's a couple things that you probably need to know. Is that on this here, make sure it's on this side of the handle, okay? And then there's also these rubber protectors of the threads on there. Make sure you unthread that before you put that on. These black things I just left on. One is a release valve, actually a release valve, and one is like a control valve for your pressure if it gets too high. And this is if it gets too hot, it'll blow that cap off. If the water gets too hot, it'll just start ejecting water out of that hole. I cut the kink out, put the hose right back on where it belongs, and yeah, I'm ready to go now. So don't worry about these black things, just leave them on there. And right here's where your water gets hooked up to. And I want to take it in the backyard and do my patio and see how well it works. See if it's worth the money. I think it was like $320 or something like that. Not too bad. It's a good looking machine. So I got the gas in. I got the oil. It came with a quart of oil. It doesn't take a whole quart. Just put it in as recommended, just a little bit at a time, and then check your dipstick to make sure you got enough in there. Did not take a full quart. Took about 3/4 of a quart of oil. You get ready to start this baby? What you need to do is hook up your hose, turn your water on. It's always gonna, I mean, this is not a really great hose, so I got a little bit of a leak. But there you go. As you can see, it got a smidge of a leak. It's no big deal. But what you want to do is turn your water on before you even start your unit, and grab your nozzle hole thing, your gun, squeeze this. There's air coming out. Don't start your engine until you get a steady flow of water coming out of there. That's the key thing. You want to make sure there's water in there in your pump before you turn it on. So I got looks to me like a nice steady stream. I'm going to go ahead and use the green tip on my concrete. Good water flow. Here's my concrete. This is what it looks like right now. It's hard to see in the sun, but in the shade you can see it. It's pretty dirty. So with that being said, I'm going to clean this and let you know what I think about the Westinghouse 3400. Okay, there's my patio. I'm getting ready to turn on my thing and get started. Couple things. Make sure you turn it on. It's an on and off switch. Okay. And then you have the gasoline on and off switch. Want to make sure that's on. And you can choke when you first start it. So you want it on choke, pull it a couple times, and then turn it off at choke. But yeah, don't keep pulling unless you turn it on and turn your gas on. Aight? Okay, here we go. Well, so far I'm going to give Westinghouse an F. A negative review completely. Did everything they say to do, done, got it all ready to go, got the water on, got the gas on, got the switch on, and they sent me a unit that's already locked up. Locked up tight as a drum. Well, got off the phone with Westinghouse customer service, which said they never heard of. Very rarely have they heard of something shipping and being locked up before you even start it, which this one definitely is locked up completely. Luckily I bought it at Amazon, so I got to take it apart. Take me about 15-20 minutes. Take it apart, put it back in the box, and set it by the house and let Amazon bring me another one. But as you can see, my porch didn't get cleaned at all today. So it's kind of wasted my whole afternoon on a beautiful day to do some power washing, get the house ready for selling. To say I'm disappointed would be an understatement. So take this review as it is. Pull out. Oh, by the way, here's the box that it came in, which is not damaged. So that's the guy saying, well, maybe it got damaged in shipping, but yeah, I don't think so. Here's the kicker about when you have to do all this stuff. I mean, I got a little hit here, but that surely didn't make the engine lock up. Here's the kicker. Now I have to take the gas out. So got to take some time out, get all that gas out of there. Got to go and loosen up this nut here and drain the oil, the new oil I just put in it. So yeah, this is a lot of fun. Westinghouse 3400 psi. Oh hey, welcome back. Called Amazon. Actually, my wife Tony called Amazon about the Westinghouse 3400 pressure washer. We told them that it was locked up out of the box. Unfortunately, I already had to put it together, put gas in it, put oil in it, get ready to pull it, and nothing. Called the support line. They told me that they never heard. Well, they've heard of it a couple times where it's just locked up because the pump impeller might be stuck. So I did their little troubleshooting. No, nothing ever worked. Didn't work. It's just locked up tight as a drum. So the Amazon Prime folks told my wife that they were going to refund us our money because I can't ship it back because I had gasoline in it. So, but she said this is a one-time deal, which is actually pretty fabulous because it was $325. So we're going to keep it. When I get my refund, I'm going to probably take it apart, see if I can fix the impeller, see what happened. It's probably that they ran it without oil and at the shop, and with the COVID situation, you're just not getting the good quality products anymore. I don't know how many times this happens to people where they buy a product online and it doesn't work or it's locked up like this. But Amazon Prime, perfect response. They took care of me. Westinghouse, not too good. They said, you know, to ship it back and take it to the repair shop. Well, yeah, like I'm going to take a brand new unit to the repair shop and go through all that process of getting it repaired and then coming back and then have a repaired unit that I just bought brand new. So No, Westinghouse, that's not going to happen. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully I buy another product. I don't know if it's going to be Westinghouse or not. I'm kind of doubtful, but thanks for watching.